is the Poly Studio X30. This is the GenMed horoscope. It's a medical camera that plugs directly into the USB port of the X30. It comes in as content, so when the patient is in the room with a medical technician, then the doctor or the skilled nurse on the far end can see the medical images come through as content while they're also viewing the patient at the same time. So the Horus comes with a few different attachments. This is the surface lens, which is good for focusing in on the upper layers of the skin. And on the touch panel, we can take a screenshot, examine a little more, focus in, take another screenshot, and then bring up those images to review with the patient.